Hi students, in our previous class we see 5th Max, the chapter Roman numbers. Shall we recall the chapter? Okay. Already in our class we see that symbols I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. In this chapter we have some rules to do that Roman numbers. A symbol cannot be repeated maximum 3 times. In this rule what it says? Any symbol cannot be repeated maximum 3 times. And that second rule, greater number after smaller number comes means that is addition. If in we write, how we write the 12th? 10, 1, 1. So x 1, 1. If x after, x is the greater number, x after we have I. So that is addition. So 10 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 12. And the third rule, greater number before smaller number comes means that is subtraction. How we write fourth? Yes, I, V. So I is a small number and V is the greater number. V is 5 and I is 1. So in before that greater number, its smaller number comes means that is subtraction. So 5 minus 1 which is equal to 4. V, L, D cannot be repeated. V, L, D it comes only one times. It cannot be repeated more than one times. Shall we do that related sums? Okay. That example sums. Convert Roman numbers into Hindu Arabic numbers. Here we have some Roman numbers. We convert into Hindu Arabic numbers. See that Roman numbers C, L, X, V, I. So it is arranged in that greater to that smaller. So shall we start to do it? First we add all the one. C stands for 100, L stands for 50, X stands for 10, V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. So 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 10, 160, 160 plus 5, 165, 165 plus 1, 166. And second sum, CCL1X. Yes, we know all the one addition CCLIX. C stands for 100 and another C stands for 100. L stands for 50 and X stands for 10. I stands for 1. Here we have that before I. So we subtract 10 minus 1. 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 50, 250. 250 plus 10, 260. 260 minus 1, 259. Now we convert that numbers into that Roman numbers. Convert Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numbers. Now we have 326. First we write that place values. 300 plus 20 plus 6. And then we separate, we have that some symbols, we separate this symbols like that number. Now 300 means 100 plus 100 plus 100. 20 means 10 plus 10. 6 means 5 plus 1. Now we separate all the numbers. We write that Roman numbers. 100 means we know C, 100 C, 100 C. 10 means X, another one 10X. 5 V 1 I. So 326 is equal to C X V I. And that second example, 417. How can we write 417? 400 plus 10 plus 7. How can we write 400? Each number cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So we can't write 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. So we write 500 minus 100 and 10 like that 10 same and 7 5 plus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 500 means D, 100 minus 100 means before we write C. C, D, 10 means X and 5 means V, I. So 417 which is equal to C, D, X, V, I. And I will give some example sums to that like a homework related to this chapter. Now I will explain the worksheet first. First you convert into the Roman numeral to an Arabic number. Yes, first we see that all the one. And that second, convert the Arabic number to a Roman numeral. Both are use that 4 rules and that 2 example sums. That same sums. Okay. Now you try the sums in your home. In our next video, I will give that answers to that worksheet. Okay. Thank you one and all.